How about pie chart? Pie chart is also about share. So instead of say the year, I don't want the year now. Let me bring back region. And definitely this is the wrong chart now, because it's not a time dimension. So the connection between two different categories does not make sense at all. So but what we can do is I can select this, or I can say it better would be that I can say change chart type and go to pie chart, and you can simply use the default one, and you can add data label. It will add data points. I think you can format data labels, and I think you can say percentage. You can remove value, and you can again work on the font and the color and everything. But a very simple pie chart. Only when you want to show share of total, use pie chart. Otherwise please don't. Also ensure that you do not have too many dimensions. It becomes a wagon wheel. It really stops making a lot of sense, and it eats up a lot of space. Too much of space it is eating for too less of a value. I want to do by state or province. You'll straight away get to know why I'm saying this. It is of no use, except say some insight on this purple one and the this one. The others really do not make any sense. You don't need all of them. You can ideally look out for some better way of combining them, or different way of combining them, so that we can get better understanding of the data. But other than this California and which is this one is New York, others are of not much use. Okay, so let's avoid that. That's your pie chart.